Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get logs for a particular course or as well as the reports. So let's just add one course and let's see in practice. So I'll just add a course HTML. Okay, the short name is also the same thing, and I will just make sure it starts from 8th of 9th of April. I'll click on save and display, and I'll just add some quiz inside this as well, just so that you can see logs related to that as well. Where is quiz? Okay, here, and I'll just name it as my quiz. You can name it, feel free to name it whatever you feel like. Okay, just click on save and display, then click on add question, click on add plus new question. I'll just create a true or false question, and here I'll just name create is HTML necessary for web dev. This is the question. I'll just copy it over here as well, and then I'll just make this as true as the answer, and I'll click on save changes. Now if I want to see logs as an admin, I can just go to the course, I can click on reports, and here you can see logs as well as live logs. So it's up to you. You can also see the activity report. So here you can see, if I open logs, I can just click on get this logs. So currently only admin user has done everything. So what if I go as a normal user? So this is a normal user. I'll refresh this, I'll click on HTML. Okay, I cannot self-enroll, so I will just go back to the course. I'll go to participants, enrollment methods, and I'll just enable self-enroll as well. Okay, I'll go back to our student user, I'll refresh this, I'll enroll myself, and here is the quiz. I'll try to attempt the quiz. I'll just name this, I'll just select true. I'll click on finish attempt, submit all, and finish. So here the answer is correct. So if I go back over here, if I go to log section and click on get this logs, here you can see now this username was nobody, so that's why we are getting logs related to that particular user. Same for live logs as well. If you want, you can get this. You just have to refresh it, and here you can see it says updates every 60 seconds. Okay, so if you want to pause it, you can as well. It's up to you. And there is this activity report as well. So if I just click on my quiz, here you can see 7 views by 2 users. So if I click on my quiz, okay, I think it just navigates back me to the activity, but here this is how we get. Unfortunately, this is the only thing, and if you want to filter it, you can apply some filter as well. So yeah, that's how you can get logs related to a course in Moodle LMS. Thank you for watching. Bye.